Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so nothing blocks the connection. Update the Ps5 system software and the Discord mobile or desktop app. Outdated builds often fail. Sign into the same Discord account you'll link and enable console linking in Discord settings. Once done, open the Ps5 party or game base and the Discord app side by side. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi. This prepares credentials and network access for the next steps. Now you perform the link and set audio routing so voice travels both ways. In the Discord app, open connections and choose PlayStation Network or the Ps5 link option. Follow the authorization prompts. This pairs accounts. On Ps5, open Control Center and set output to headphones and choose USB headset or controller mic depending on your gear. Make sure Discord shows your voice channel is active. Otherwise, reopen the link flow and reauthorize. Finish by joining a Discord voice channel and confirming Ps5 streams game audio into that channel. Trim volume levels in both apps. If audio fails, restart the Ps5 and the Discord app, unlink and relink the accounts, and retry. Many issues clear on reboot. If problems persist, switch headsets or plug the Ps5 into a wired network to rule out Wi-Fi issues. The one key tip: always test with a second device so you can isolate Ps5 versus Discord account problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.